Well, I'm still in Belem, but I thought I'd do a little video since acai has become popular in the United States. These palm trees here are actually acai trees, and if you look closely, all those green berries you can see there, these aren't ripe yet. Those ones right there are getting a little darker. Once they turn kind of a dark purple color, then they're ripe. But if you look, all of the trees here, all these palm trees are all acai trees. And there's Giuseppe. Well, here I am in Belem, and this is covered in plants, but it's actually an artificial structure. It's just an old artificial structure. If you look right there, actually, you can zoom in. You can see there's bricks inside of there. So it has an inside. Down over there. Lots of trees. It's super hot, super humid. I am sweating like crazy out here. Vamos para baixo. It's like a cave, maybe. Let's take a look in here. Waterfall. Looks like there's some old stalactites and stalagmites in here. See if we make it to the other side here. Oh, I think I saw a bat, maybe. Vamos sair daqui. Yeah, see? Here's inside that other structure that I was talking about. It's pretty cool looking up to the top.
While we were walking in this forest in Belem, I think the locals, we just called it the Bosque when I was there. The bugs were so loud. So it was pretty interesting as we walked through to listen to all the sounds and look up at the tall trees. Just a beautiful place to visit. So I caught this right in front of the hotel we were staying at. It was next to a Navy base, and I saw them doing the flag raising. Thought that was pretty cool.
All right, we're here in Belem, and I just wanted to show above us. So all these trees
all around us.
And up there, these are all mango trees. Since we're stopped, maybe I could... Oh, yeah. There's some green mangoes hanging there.
And Scotchy,
Yes.
what happens if they fall?
Sometimes these mangoes fall on people, and it hurts really bad. Also, as you can see, there's lots of cars here, so they do fall and dent cars all the time. Oh look, there's an iguana. Look over there. There's an iguana coming too.
Why is it coming?
Why is he coming over here? I'm not sure. Oh, look, a pile of iguanas. I think they're having a party, guys. Time for breakfast. Here we have another iguana party. But if we move just this way, there's another iguana party. And then we have some people over the hill over there. Oh, there's one. They're all coming out of the woodworks. I think it's breakfast time. Oh, one over there coming over.
So here, Giuseppe and I were visiting the Ver-O-Peso. It is a large market in Belem at the mouth of the Amazon River. This is where they sell the seafood and the fish portion. Later we went to some of the other sections of the market. In the next video you'll see where there was some fruit and also souvenirs. In this market, it's a very large market. You can buy, there's a whole bunch of food stands. You can buy all sorts of produce. And also there's lots of local shopping nearby as well. Really near the Ver-O-Peso, just a block or two, I want to say, is the Belem Cathedral Nossa Senhora da Graça, and the artwork inside was just amazing. I wanted to be respectful, so I kind of just did a quick video in here, but it really was a very beautiful building in Belem. We also decided to drive through one of the neighborhoods in Belem. This is one of the streets in Guamá. I actually lived in this area for about 6 months back in 2006. As you can see, it looks a little bit different from some of the other places. Guy working has his own cart that he was pulling by hand. Narrow streets. Some of the areas here I definitely would not advise visiting as a tourist, but since I had lived there in the past, I wanted to at least drive through, but we did not get out and do much walking here. I actually lived right around this place where we are right at this block here, but a lot had changed, so it was actually hard to recognize quite a bit. Really, the impetus to this Brazil trip was visiting the Belem Temple, which was having an open house. It was pouring down rain when we were there, but I wouldn't expect it any other way in Belem do Pará. Well, that concludes the Belem section of my travels. Next up will be Santarém, where we'll go on some adventures on the Amazon River and the area thereabout, which is really beautiful. See you there.